Yeah. My hair looking kind of crazy, man. I've been grinding all day. This BBG Kennels, though. I'll show you what we got for sale right here. You know what I mean? Got the pups for sale, man. We know 150. There's one of them right there. Yeah. We got another one right here. You know what I mean? Another one. All Brenda. You see that, Brenda? All Brenda. Another one, Brindle. Whitehead, Brindle. White and Brindle head, just laid back. This a boy right here, he laid back. He gonna be the biggest one to watch. Another Brindle, Whitehead, Brindle on the ear. Brenda.
Don't even want to make all the two.
This for mine right here. This ain't for sale. He ain't for sale. You know what I mean? What's a she? She not for sale. She's staying with me. You see, that's me. You can see the blue in her. She got Buddy in her. See that? This is mine. She not for sale. And this the Brenda girl right here, you know. This the Brenda girl. We gonna take my side. Show y'all what we got inside. Beware, BBG Kennels, remember that. Shut that door. Right here.
There's two bodies. Get out.
Right here. You got the boy blue. This
Can't even see him. Get up, move.
Right here. We got to turn some light up in here.
Move, go. Go. Yeah, there we go. Move, come on.
See, we got the boy. This the daddy of the puppies right here. This the boy blue. You know, he a beast. Oh. This the boy Presta Canario. See how big this motherfucker is right here, man. BBG Kennels, he big. Get out.